Loosen the quick-release nut. Remove the entire saddle cushion. Loosen the screws and remove the seat post. Loosen the screws and remove the studs. Gently tap off the seat post clamp with a rubber hammer. Install the seat post. Adjust the seat post to the appropriate angle. Tighten the fixing screws. Installation is complete.